You're watching Scale Knocker TV with Mishi Fishi. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Knocking scales and slapping tails. Get ready for some adventures.
So guys, I'm at my fishing location now. I got the goofish rod with my pin reel. And I'm wearing a fanny pack today, so don't laugh. It's because I don't want to carry the backpack. What we're going for right now, guys, is peacocks. Now, in Florida, a lot of people are like, shiners. But really, this is all you need is a simple jig. When they're up on their beds and they're bedded down, you can see them. You want to make sure you got some nice UV rays, sunglasses, so you can see through the water a little bit better. As you can see, I've already pre-rigged all my jigs because I hate when there's a fish right in front of me not being prepared. So these are crappie jigs, and this is all you need, guys. Pretty steep here, guys. This is a deeper canal. I'm not seeing any on top here, so I'm just gonna jig on bottom, see if I can dig one up. I like sight casting for these things. You can always throw a crankbait. You can always throw a crankbait, a top water. These things are pretty aggressive, so they'll pretty much eat anything, as long as it's got some action to it. I've had a lot of luck on the spin baits. They like those. All right, down the embankment. But it's overcast, so it's gonna be really hard to see them. But I know they're here. So oh, I just had one. Oh, I had one hit. Hold on. Let's get one. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Hopefully I'm gonna get him. Oh, I just saw him hit. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's on top. Okay. Come back, Mr. Sun. I need to see these things. Jig it kind of aggressively. Oh, he hit it again. He's fired up, guys. He's fired up. Allergies kicking in full effect with his grass. Oh, he's right there. He's fired up, dude. He's fired. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him, guys. Oh, yeah. We got him. Oh, it's a nice one. Ah! Ah! Oh no, he got all dirty. Ah, come here. I don't want to get bass thumbed today. I don't want to get bass thumbed today. Ugh! I don't want to get it. Why do they always want to knock over my camera? Oh, you little crap. He's still very green, guys. He's still very green. I can't get the damn fish. I'm editing this out, maybe. Maybe not. I'm trying to avoid getting bass thumbed. All right, guys. Okay. Oh, he's biting on my tongue. On my thumb. We got one. Woo! First pee of the day. Woo! Nice one, guys. I'd say he's about 2 pounds. Yee! Gonna let him go now. Oh, what's this? He's gonna be greedy? This fish's gonna be greedy. He felt the hook, he pulled, but he's still gonna attack it. Why? Because he's bedded down. He's protecting stuff. But he'll be fine. We're gonna hook him and put him right back where he came from. I'm not keeping him. He's mad though. He's protecting. He's gonna eat this. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him, guys. Oh, he's mad. He's not happy. That's a bad dad. Oh, he's right there. Oh, no. Okay, again. Again. Oh, guys, this is the stuff that gets my heart going when I'm ready to hook them. It's like the happiest thing ever. It's like outdoor gambling with me. It's like I might get them, I might not, but you want to know what? I got action, and that's all that matters. If I hook them or land them, I don't care. As long as I hook them and I fight them for a little bit, that's just good as landing them in my book. Let it sink down in his little nesty here. Jig it right in front of him. Oh, he felt it again. That's what I mean, guys. You gotta, this little peacock is just a little butthead today. I've hooked him twice and lost him twice. He's smart. He knows what he's doing. He's gonna come back for it because he's protecting. Literally, what in the balls is going on with this fish? It's jigging in place like I want it to. What the fish? Oh, there he is! Oh, it's a little one too, you little turd! You gave me such a hard time. Oh. This little turd gave me such a hard time. Why? Why? Why were you so hard to catch? There it is, guys. A little turd that kept trying to get away, but he did it this time. Oh. Ah, you're such a little turd. See the rip? See how many times I caught him, guys? It's got a big old hole. It'll heal. Let's put him back.